Hi friends. So what should we do tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty has moved today in a narrow range. Now what exactly has to be done tomorrow, which is on 12th of January? If you're wondering that, I'll explain you completely in detail. My name is Shriyasha. I'm a stock market trader, investor, and a mentor. I help you to understand how to trade in the market, and this is my personal views. And if you have interested to understand my point of view and try to look at trading, you can look at this video and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Also join my Telegram groups for more latest updates. So let's get started, guys. What is that is going to happen on 12th of January? I have been telling you market is buy on dips, and you can see that the dip is very, very narrow, which is coming, and every other dip is getting bought in. So you should also do the same on every dip. You need to look at buying opportunity. See, you will get some sharp corrections. That is a good opportunity for you to go ahead and buy. There's a minor uh, resistance around this 18,150 to 200. According to me, once that is being breached, and as long as we are holding above that, market is ready for moving towards the all-time high and probably go beyond that. So overall, market is buy on every dip. So currently 18,000 will act as a very strong psychological support. And as long as we are above that, and 18,000 and 18,050 will act as a support for today, tomorrow. And immediately the resistance will come around 18,100 to 150. Now, once this is, if we are started to move up beyond this, 18,200 is easily possible. Overall, market is ready for moving towards these directions, and tomorrow is going to be one day before the expiry. So if I have to look at that perspective, we'll try to understand where market can also hold. If I have to look at the option chain, 18,400 and 18,500 is the places where there has been a lot of uh, call writing which has happened for this week. So probably around that level, there can be some resistance which can come in. Tomorrow we'll get a much clearer idea about this. But overall, market is buy on dips, and if we start moving higher, I think there can be a much bigger momentum which is possible in the market. Overall, tomorrow there is a major events. We have TCS, Wipro, Infosys, all of them giving the results. So from that perspective, we need to see how the market is going to behave, because they may be giving stellar results, but at the same time, IT index is little weak. I don't expect any extraordinary movement to happen, but anything is possible in the market. And if that happens, according to me, IT may not do much, though actually IT results are there. But sentimentally, it may try to boost in. And as long as IT stocks may hold the market, I think market may not come down easily. And Bank Nifty needs to start trading above this 38,500. So we have this, there was a resistance around 38,200, 300. That resistance has been breached, and 2 days we have stayed above this. Now, the most important thing is we need to start trading about this here, 38,500, and hold this. Once we are able to do that, I think 39,000 is easily possible. And we are opening ourselves to move towards 39, 34, 40,000 also. So that is something which is possible. Market is extremely bullish, both from the Nifty as well as on Bank Nifty. So don't try to short the market, because anytime actually bounce can come, and that bounce is going to actually eat away all your money. So all the dips should be only looked at buying opportunity, and that is where you will be able to make money. If you are liking the information I'm sharing here in this video, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great and prosperous day. Bye bye. See you.